Over the past months, we've been roasting trading tools left and right. Brokers, robots, signals, all of it. And most of the time, the story ended the same way. Bonus looked great, turned out to be a trap. The license looked serious, turned out to be offshore. The spreads looked tight in the ad, but felt very different in real life. So yeah, I get it. You're sitting there thinking, okay, Dave, is there any broker that's just normal, just a solid company I can actually trade with? Yes, they exist. And today, we're talking about one of them. But don't get too comfortable. This is still Forex Roasted. We're going to dig into the numbers, poke at the fine print, and look for anything sketchy, because that's what we do. Oh, and remember, we put our money into this to test this thing. You're welcome. Quick thing before we get into it. Most people pick brokers based on completely the wrong stuff. Beginners get excited about bonuses, maximum leverage, shiny promotions, and vague promises about returns. Pure dopamine marketing. And it works because nobody's reading the actual important parts. The license, the trading costs, how fast you can get your money out, and whether they let you run robots. We always start with regulation, not because a license is some magic protection. We did a whole video on this last time on why it's not. But having zero license is basically a red flag with fireworks on it. Ultima Markets runs under multiple licenses: the FCA, Sheck, FSC Mauritius, and the FSCA. That's already a longer a more serious list than most brokers out there, who usually just have one offshore license and then they call it a day. One honest note though, most international clients end up going through the Mauritius entity. Not a deal breaker, but something you should know before you sign anything. Now, trading conditions. What actually stood out to us is that these guys from Ultima Markets aren't trying to sell you a lifestyle. They're selling infrastructure, which honestly is exactly what you want from a broker. The minimum deposit is $50, low enough that you can get started without having to bet your rent money. Cent accounts are available, and these are seriously underrated. Most new traders are stuck in this awkward middle ground. Demo trading feels fake. Real trading feels terrifying. A cent account lets you trade with actual market conditions and actual emotions without blowing a significant amount of money in the process. It's the bridge most people need and never find. ECN accounts with spreads starting from 0.1 pips and commission around $5 per lot. Remember, those zero commission brokers from the last video, here the fee is just shown out in the open. It's a wild concept, I know. On the robot and automation side, MT4, MT5, expert advisors, trading bots, scalping, hedging, it's all supported. And this matters more than people think. Even the best trading robot is useless if the broker's execution is garbage. It's like trying to run a Formula One car on a dirt road. The machine doesn't matter if the track is broken. So, withdrawals. This is where brokers usually show their true colors. Everything looks amazing until you try to actually take your money out. With Ultimate Markets, no fees on deposits, no fees on withdrawals, or crypto, or card withdrawals. They all move fast. Bank transfers, yes, take a few business days, but that's normal. We know that that's standard. We didn't hit any problems personally. I'm not going to tell you that's a guarantee because it's not. Don't take anyone's word for this stuff, not even ours. The only real test is doing it yourself. So here's how to do it safely. Number 1, put in the minimum amount. Number 2, make a few trades. 3, try withdrawing it. Number 4, decide if you want to go bigger. Now, let's talk about what's not perfect, because nothing ever is. Most international clients work through the Mauritius structure rather than the FCA or Sheck entity. That's a lower level of regulatory protection and worth being clear about. The brand is also not as established as the biggest names in the industry, not yet. But here's the thing, after spending months digging through brokers that compete on who has the biggest bonus and the most aggressive ad budget, it's genuinely refreshing to look at a company that competes on trading conditions, execution, infrastructure, actual substance. Is it perfect? No. Would I put it on a short list of brokers worth testing? Yes, without hesitation. Full breakdown with numbers, screenshots, and all the details are on the Forex Roasted website down there. Link in the description. And one last thing, our link has no markup. This isn't charity, but it's honest. You get a lead on a broker that we've tested with our own cash that turned out to be a decent one, unlike others. Yep, the broker pays us a small fee for the referral, but you pay nothing extra. That's the whole deal. That's it. Hope you've enjoyed this. Until the next roast, this has been me, Dave of Forex Roasted. Bye for now.